What if you had a way to audit your installations to ensure that you haven't missed anything? Have you ever had a system installed with unacceptable signal strength that got missed until it was too late, and it went into COM failure? When using Residio Links, Lyric, and ProSeries systems, you can catch issues early and save you from rolling a truck. It starts by creating a checklist on the AlarmNet 360 website. Next, go to Installation Quality from the app or website, and we do the rest. Let's take a look. Select the checklist you created earlier from the list. Next, tap Sync and Evaluate. If using a ProSeries or Lyric, select Sync Changes. If using Links, select Fetch All. Now, tap Start Sync at the bottom of the screen. Next, evaluate the rules marked as failed, and determine if you need to make corrections. A comment section is available if you need to add a note to the evaluation. Using checklist will help you win more customers, with consistent quality installations. Don't have the AlarmNet 360 mobile app? Download it today. Search for AlarmNet 360 in your device's app store.